How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix your Microsoft Authenticator app if it is not working. So first of all, just go to your settings, open your settings, and after that just look for apps, click on it, and here just go to app management, and now just open the Authenticator app right here. And now all you have to do is just click on storage uses, and here you will see these two options. One is clear data and second is clear cache. So first of all, you have to clear your data and just click on OK, and as you can see that your data has been cleared. Now you should go ahead and open your Authenticator app, and this should fix your problem. Now as you can see that my Microsoft Authenticator app is working perfectly. So this is how you can fix your Microsoft Authenticator app if it is not working. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.